Hello everyone, my name is Shivraj Kailas Dhotre. I belong to Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar district of Maharashtra. I completed my bachelor's degree in B.Sc Computer Science from Savitribai Phule Pune University in the year 2025. After my graduation, I looking for a job opportunity and one of my friend told me about Evision Technoserve. Evision Technoserve is a IT recruitment and consulting company. Then I joined full-time 45 days IT internship program where I got excellent hands-on training in IT skills like CCNA, virtualization, Windows administration, Windows Server, and ITIL by experienced trainers. The trainers and mentors were very supportive. They guided me step by step to build my confidence in technical knowledge. Only because of support of Evision Technoserve, I got placed at Cognizant Pune under the payroll of Team Lease Service Limited with a good package of 2.74 LPA. This is possible only because of their proper guidance, training modules, placement support. I highly recommended Evision Technoserve to everyone who want to build their strong career in IT. Thank you, Evision Technoserve and team. Thank you.